Performing an optimization design study. In the first task, we create an optimization design study and add design constraints. Disable all datum display types. Click Analysis, then Feasibility Optimization from the Design Study group. Type max_area as the name. Select Maximize as the goal and select area:half_area as the parameter. To add the first design constraint, click Add within the Design Constraints section. Select UDM_min_val:UDA_light and select greater than equal to. Select Set and type 90. Click OK to add the design constraint. To add the second design constraint, do the following. Select UDM_max_val:UDA_light and select less than. Select Set and type 90. Click OK to add the design constraint. Click Cancel to stop adding design constraints. In the next task, we add multiple design variables. Click Add Dimension within the Design Variables section. Select Surface ID 14 from the model tree and select 40. Type 20 as the minimum and type 60 as the maximum. Select 30 degrees on the model. Type 10 as the minimum and type 45 as the maximum. Select 0.5 row on the model. Type 0.3 as the minimum and type 0.70 as the maximum. Click Compute. Note, your results may not exactly match the results shown in the figures, but the optimization study should be successful. Click Close, Confirm to accept the results. In the next task, we run the UDA to ensure that the goal has been fulfilled. Click User-Defined Analysis from the Custom group. Click Compute from the User-Defined Analysis window. Note, as indicated in the figures, the light reflection angle is approximately 90 degrees for reflector.prt. Click Close. This completes a demonstration for the Performing an Optimization Design Study procedure.